Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Low noise, 84 decibels. For operator comfort, 4 inches wide belt with a speed of 1,640 feet per minute. For fast material removal, Labyrinth construction seals and protects motor and bearings from dust and debris for longer tool life. Large front grip is positioned for operator comfort. Innovative design for sanding flush to wall with nose and side of sander. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Pressure control technology monitors sanding pad pressure applied for optimal finish. 6.0A of power sands any type of wood surface. Microfiltration captures and contains fine dust particles. Auto track belt alignment keeps belt centered. Vacuum compatible. Fits standard 1-1/4 in. Vacuum hoses. Flush edge sanding sands right up to the edge for maximum capacity. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 2-in-1 sanding machine includes both a 4x36-inch belt and a 6x6-inch disc. Belt tilts anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees. Sturdy cast iron base prevents any heavy vibrations. 4.3 amp motor provides up to 3,600 RPM. Tension release lever provides for simple changes between sandpaper grits. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. 7 amp motor rotates the belt at over 13 feet per second. Compact design weighs in at a mere 6 pounds to limit the fatigue of the user. Includes a detachable dust bag to minimize cleanup. Lock-in safety feature allows for continuous sanding without requiring a constant grip on the trigger. Backed by a 2-year warranty and a nationwide network of skilled technicians. See more product details.